My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Lucky. And this is the ransomware from the Phobos ransomware family. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Lucky ransomware may be easily injected. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. Lucky is a special extension that is appended to the file names. The ransomware reveals also this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. And by the way, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but premium license is a much better solution for always having your data protected. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but at the end, in the description to this video, you will find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.